Welcome, in front of me is a Xiaomi 14T Pro, and today I will show you how you can enable and set up your Do Not Disturb mode. So to get started, we're gonna swipe down from the top right side of the screen, like so. And next, somewhere here, you should have a Do Not Disturb mode toggle, which looks like a moon icon. I think by default it is added, but for me it's not. So if you don't see it, maybe it's the same way for you. You want to click right here on this edit option and scroll down, and somewhere here you will find a DND, which is the Do Not Disturb. Gonna click on the plus, click on the check mark to save that, and you can see that we can now access it. Like I said, I believe it is added by default though. Anyway, once you see this toggle, first time around I recommend holding it, as this will quickly take you to the settings where you can customize how the mode will function. So scrolling down, you have a bunch of options right here, things like silent mode, Do Not Disturb mode right here. So this is strictly for the Do Not Disturb mode. And here we have things like notify about calls. You can choose who can call you, repeated calls, schedules. I can go through this, set it up. Once you're done, close it. You don't ever have to come back there again, as long as you don't want to change any of the settings. And whenever you want to enable your DND, just simply tap on a toggle and you're good to go. Now, one more thing to keep in mind is that Do Not Disturb mode will run indefinitely if it's not set as a schedule. So once you're done using it and you manually turned it on like I did, you will need to also remember to turn it off by tapping on the toggle once again. So with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.